Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the ride-sharing platforms, especially about the competition between Uber and Lyft. So here's a short overview. I'm going to give a short introduction about ride-sharing platforms, what they're used for. Further, I'm going to give you a little bit of general information about how it works. After that, I'm going to tell you why I care so much. And to close off my presentation, I'm going to talk about what the future can bring us using this concept. I believe there's not much of an introduction needed. I think every one of you know Lyft and Uber. Even more, I believe most of you have ever taken an Uber or a Lyft. So I'm not going to talk too much about the concept. I'm just going to give you some general information. So it's basically a platform where the driver gets matched with the passenger via a mobile app. So the rides are basically outsourced to commercial vehicles. An interesting fact, the first company that used this ride-sharing platform was Sidecar, and it was based here in San Francisco. Why I care so much? Well, I can talk about this for maybe like 1 hour, but I'm going to keep it short. First, I'm going to talk about the reach of this technology. I believe that this is only the beginning, that this is the tip of the iceberg. I believe that this technology can reach. I can even explain it. It's going to be used for so many different things. Right now it's used for transportation of people, of food, of groceries, and I believe it's going to get much bigger than that. Second, the importance of transportation nowadays. It's so incredible how humankind has evolved, and I believe that transportation has always been the center of it. The segregation of ownership, of course. Uber and Lyft and all the other companies are only getting bigger, and I believe that the segregation of that not everybody has to own a car in the future. Even now, not everybody can afford a car, so I believe that's a major advantage. And I think that in like maybe 10 years, people are not everyone that has a car now is going to need a car in the future. They can just use their phone to get a car, and that's what I want to talk about more, the future. So as you already may suspect, I'm very curious about what the future can bring us. Some pros at the moment is it's very low cost. Everybody can use it. What's very interesting right now is also the price competition between Uber and Lyft, because I think those are the two biggest companies at the moment. So it's even more advantageous for us, the customer, as their price is going to be as low as possible. And of course the comfort. You can just take your phone, you can find a ride in maybe 2 minutes. So it's very easy to do. However, I believe there are also some limitations that has to be they have to come up with a solution or something. For example, the efficiency. What I mean by this is that a ride-sharing platform cannot be efficient all over the world. I believe right now it's only efficient in the big cities like LA, New York, Washington, Chicago, and here San Francisco. I believe that the smaller villages, that it's just not a great idea. And also the safety concerns right now. I did some research and I'm not sure about the safety concerns because, just take the example of there's a car accident. Who's responsible and how are they going to get reimbursed? Now I'm talking about the passenger and the driver. So I believe that has to be there has to be like they have to come up with a solution how to fix this. So, as I mentioned, I'm very curious about the future. And this is the end. And don't forget, sharing is caring. Thank you so much for listening.